Let's take a look at this MUJI stapler. This costs around 790 rupees or $11 or so. It has this really unique shape. It looks like a whale. That's the English instructions. It attaches paper by cutting and folding without using metal staples. That's where the paper should be inserted. Strong non-slip binding. Does not have the same holding power as stapler using metal staples. They even recommend stapling it twice from different sides to give you better binding. Quite interesting. That's how the stapler looks. Let's try and staple these together. What? That didn't work. Looks like it has worked. Definitely not as strong as staples, but enough to hold it together. Let's do a couple of them. That looks pretty secure. I'm not trying to rip them apart, just trying to open them. You can quite easily pull them apart, but it holds quite well. You can see the stapling method. It makes this shape and bends the paper and actually inserts into the gap. The shape is bent over and pushed through, all done in a single motion, which is quite amazing. They ask you to do it from 2 different sides. It definitely needs a bit more room on the edge. If you don't completely press through, it can sometimes tear the paper. So definitely not for official documents. Maybe use it on a rough paper, on a shopping list or something like that. Interesting idea though, but quite expensive. Quite nice. Check it out.